All right, we're going to go ahead and prep our pack of chicken thighs. We're going to peel back the skin, remove any big chunks of fat, kind of trim them up a little bit, and then we're going to season with my sweet rub. So there we go, there's our 10 chicken thighs all seasoned up. We're going to go over and fire up the Recteq Bullseye 380. We're going to set it at 400 degrees, and we're going to use Bear Mountain apple pellets in it today. All right, let's go ahead and turn on the Recteq. We're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. Basically take this, we just dial in the temp we need, 400. All right, we let her go. All right, we're at 400 degrees, so we're going to go ahead and get the chicken on. Up. All right, we're going to let this ride for 30 minutes. We'll come check it with a thermopen, and then we'll flip it skin side down to crisp up the skin. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. We're going to go ahead and flip these over. We're gonna go about 10 more minutes and then we're gonna start checking the temp. Okay, it's been another 10 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and check the temp here, see where we're at. About 180 there, 185, one in the middle, 188. So these are right where we want them to be. We're gonna flip them over, and then I'm gonna barbecue sauce, or I'm gonna put sauce on 5 of them, and then we're gonna have Alabama white sauce on the other 5. So I'm gonna sauce this 5 here. Nice little coat on there. This is my Irish Bomb barbecue sauce. All right, close this lid up here. Give them a few more minutes and then we'll come take them off the grill. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and take these off.